give example. It is very easy to give example, but it is very difficult to become an example, With these beautiful lines, Vande Mataram to all my Balaji's family. As we know, on the occasion of 15th August, we organize the mono act on our freedom fighters. So here I am doing a mono act on Rajaram Mohan Roy based on Sati Pratha. So I become Rajaram Mohan Roy and my team members, Himanshi becomes the lady means Sati and he becomes the brother of died man and Lucky is our died man and Sujal is the leader of the villagers. So without waste time, let's start.
Come with me. Come with me. Come with me. Shut up. Your husband is died and you also have to die.
Please don't do this. Want to stay.
Shut up. It's our system. You have to die.
Please leave me. I want to leave. I don't want to die.
Shut up.
Mom, Pitaji, please save me. Please save me.
What are you doing? Stop this! Why are you taking the life of this girl?
Alaram, don't tell anything. It's your ritual. Don't interfere in this.
Just listen, leader, just listen what I want to say.
Mohan Rai, it's our family matter. So please don't interfere in this.
Oh, it is your family matter. But see this girl, how she is innocent, what she has done. You do not have any right to deal with her.
No, Radharam, innocent this girl. 1 month hasn't been passed. See, Radharam hasn't said that of husband dead you. Dead of you said that innocent this Radharam. God will get angry. God will get angry. We don't call alive the people. Say part of our Sakti.
Mohan Rai, many times I tell you, it's our family matter. So please don't interfere in this and go away from here.
Wow, what? This is your family matter? Is this your family matter? So what is the work of Panchayat here? What is the work of Panchayat here? What is the work of people here? As long as you are doing this drama, the matter falls from our home. Now it's include whole society, whole villager, and I am also the part of this society. I am also the citizen of this village. Now I will speak and you all have to listen. You all are considered as a human being. You all are considered as a being. No, you all are deaf. You all are blind. You all are monster. You're taking a life of innocent girl. It's not a humanity. It's not a humanity. If it is, you can't save a life of any person, so you don't have any right to take a life of any person. It's justice to replace, and I will remove the justice, and I will replace the justice. Do you know? Do you know? Do you know what is the mistake of this girl? Because she is girl. Who doesn't have a right to live in his own way? Who doesn't have a right to do like the boys? Who doesn't have a right to go outside? Have you thought? Have you thought? Shame on you. Have you thought about those women who had been burned by you? Think about it. If it is our finger burn, so we are treating with the leaf, with the cream. But think about those women who had been burned by you. If it is any boy, if it is any girl died, so we are not burning the boys. It's a partiality. It's the biggest partiality. If it is we are burning the girl, so we have to burn the boy also. But we are not burning. It is a partiality. After sometimes he got married with another girl. Another girl. Shame on you people. Shame on you. Shame on you leader. Shame on you. Open your eyes. If it is she is not here, so who will cook food for you? Open your eyes. If it is she is not here, so who will do household work? If it is she is not here, so who will take care of children? Only this girl, only this woman. So respect the women, respect the girls.
I think you are right, Radharam. Radharam, please forgive us. We open your eyes from now.
At last, I only want to say that the Rajaram did. It is the biggest thing for us. Not only the Sati Pratha, the many things done by the Rajaram, like he banned the child marriage, like polygams, and many of the things founded by. He established the first, we can say the first English medium school in India. So it is the very big thing for us. With the heart, we are respecting the Rajaram. Jai Hind, Jai